In this video, another series of upcoming videos, we're going to look at social media graphics using Canva, how to create social media graphics. And the first thing that we're going to create today is inspirational quotes graphics for Instagram. So it's easy to sign up for Canva. It's a free tool. And what you're going to do pretty much you can be able to do even with a free account. So go to home and then search for Instagram. So you're going to get a lot of templates, ready-made templates, which can be 10 by 80, but I prefer to use 10 by 80 by 1350, 1080 by 1350. So these ones are 1080. Let's customize this and use 1080 by 1350. So the next thing we're going to do is go to text and add a text box. And then put in a quote there. We can also go to use AI. Then we copy this and paste it there. You can always change the font to the one you like. So look out for the free ones if you are using a free account. Okay. And then we need to include an image so that to make it pop and make it look nice. So come to elements. And look out for free photo. Okay, yeah, let's use this. So you can either enlarge it or click on the three dots and then set as background. Scroll down, set as background image. Because it's dark colored, the background is dark, we need to change. You can either change the color of the text or go back to elements and then search for shape, get a free shape and drag it over there on your text. You can change the color. Change the color to your brand color and then just reduce the transparency a bit. And that's it. Your inspiration post is ready. So just go ahead and share, download as PNG. Now we can do a second one and probably change the image. So just come here to duplicate, click on that, it will duplicate the same. So what will happen if I want to change this image, I'll just go back to looking for a different image. Maybe this time we can say engine. Okay, if I drag it here, it will automatically snap. So I don't have to go through the entire process in having the image fit. Now, we may want to change the position of this. Okay. Can also change the font. Yeah, this goes really well in the previous font. We can also play around with this to bring in the masculine. So we're going to change this font to, color to white. Then we change this background to black. Okay. Then we can reduce the transparency. Yeah, that's good. Let's enlarge the font. You can also play around with the size, the spacing. Well, that looks good. You can always change the positioning of the photo by double clicking on the photo so that you're able to move it to the position that you would like. Okay, yeah, like that. So here are two inspirational quotes. Different photos, same quotes. So go ahead and practice working on this. We have used a free Canva account. See you in the next one.